Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram incorrect password problem. Instagram login problem, incorrect password. Okay, now solve this problem. Let's start. First of all, go to your settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Now click on search bar. Search for Instagram. Click on this. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache and click on clear data. Delete this. Now back to your home screen and go to your Play Store. Check update your Instagram. Click on this. You can see Instagram is already updated. Now open it. Now login your account. Click on continue. Now login your password. I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.